I want to thank Sadar Al-Bagshi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and James Judd for turning me on to Leaf Shave. Let's unbox it. Now, the Leaf story is an interesting story. I haven't done a tremendous amount of research because if you know me, you know I don't like math and I don't like research. This is an American-made product, guys, right here on the East Coast, I believe, in Pittsburgh. I love when a product comes and it's like a gift. And this is like a gift, you know, in a nice black box with that lettering right there. Leaf Shave. It opens up. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. It's got a nice, sort of like a tissue paper here. The instructions here. Prepare your blades, so it shows you how to put the blades together because it's a unique razor that allows you to customize your shaving experience. What is this? Introducing the Twig Sculptor. Twig is in beta mode and we want your feedback. We're including it free in every Leaf razor so that we can learn from our users. When you get a moment, drop us a note about how to use Twig and what you think. hello@leafshave.com. So this is a little Twig Sculptor, right? That's kind of cute. And I like the fact that they want your input as a user. All right, let's see what else is. Oh, they give you a razor minder or holder for your old razors. You can protect yourself from all those stray razors you've used. Here's a pack of their blades. This blade pack contains 50 high-quality double-edged blades, which gives you 100 edges to use with your Leaf razor. Just snap them in half while still in their paper wrapping and layer them in. All right, so this is my stand. This is the Leaf stand. And here comes the Leaf razor itself. Oh, I love you guys at Leaf. I asked for black. And they gave me black. Look at that. Look at that. It's a metal, hefty feel to it, guys. Look at that. Crafted. It's a crafted razor. Nice long handle. And it feels hefty in your hand. And if you can see right here, there are slots where you can load up to 3 blades. So in the past, I've said, why do you need more than 2 blades, right? Well, if you want to go with 2 blades, you can go with 2 blades. If you want to go with 1 blade, you can go with 1 blade, or you can load it up for 3. So this has a nice pivoting head. And right back here, guys, this is what holds the unit in place. So you open that up, and if you look in there, there are 3 areas, 3 holders or 3 slots, 1, 2, and the bottom where you can insert your razor blades. That is pretty damn cool. Look at that. Look at the snap. That is a wonderful. I want to thank the guys again at Leaf Shave for treating me like a sport. I cannot wait to try this out. Now let's load this up. Let's see if it's easy without reading the instructions. So here's my Leaf Shave razors. Now it says you have to snap them in half. So I did. I snapped that sucker in half. So I have two blades here, and I'm going to load this up. So it fits nicely right in there. I don't know if you could see that. There are 2 holders, and the blade, that half blade, just slides behind that holder. And oh, by the way, when you're doing this, it's magnetic. See that? Let's load up the other blade. Again, if I drop it on there, it's magnetic. And now I have 2 blades, guys. two-bladed razor. And if I wanted to do 3, and that fits right there. Tighten that guy up. And now I have a 3-bladed razor. 3 blades is better than 2 or 1, right? All right, so next up, guys, maybe tomorrow or later tonight, I will take care of this beard here. It's about a 2-day growth right now, so I'll wait 1 more day. I can't wait to use this, guys. I'm all excited about it. Keep push and play, y'all. Keep push and play.